Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing basic elementary shapes. In previous videos you learned curves and types of curves and about polygons. And in today's class we are going to discuss about angles. We are going to discuss about angles. See here in day-to-day life we can see so many two lines intersecting each other. Let us take this lines. See here they intersected, and here how many angles are formed here? See this. Yes, here 4 angles are formed. Let us take one more example, and that is square. Here also you can see here 4 angles are formed. Then what is angle? Angle means, see here, when two rays meet at a point, the picture formed, for that we are calling angles. See here this one ray and one more ray. Here how many rays are there? 2 rays are there. See here. So here what has formed? Angle. So for this we are calling rays. So let us name them O, A and B. Here OA and OB are rays, and this meeting point of these 2 rays we are calling it as a vertex. So here arms. Here how many arms are there? 2 arms are there, and they are OA and OB. OA and OB. 2 rays are formed here. Next, for this, the meeting point of 2 arms we are calling vertex. Okay, so what is here vertex? O. Yes, in day-to-day life you can see the Caesar, you can see what pizza, home, you can see so many things. There so many angles are formed. When 2 rays meet at a point, the meeting point we are calling vertex, and these 2 rays we are calling arms. And one more thing, and this is the symbol of angle. This is also and this is also. For example, AOB. Which angle has formed here? AOB. See here, AOB. Okay, this type also we are writing, or we are writing AOB. AOB, AOB. How to read this? Angle AOB, angle AOB. We can write like this or like this. Okay, both are correct. I hope you understood what is this angles. When 2 rays meet at a point, the angle, the figure formed, for that we are calling angles. Here how many angles are formed? 2 angles are formed, and they are only one angle has formed, and here 2 arms are there, OA and OB, and this meeting point we are calling vertex, and this is the symbol of angle. So let us learn about interior and exterior of an object. So let us see here some examples they given in exercise 9.3. In exercise 9.3, so the question is there, name the vertex and arms of the following angles. So let us see that examples. If you understood, then you can write that examples easily. So exercise 9.3 and fifth main. What is there? See here they given like this figures. Yes, here they given A, B, C. So the question is there, name the vertex and arms of the following angles. Name the vertex and arms of the following angles. So here first question is there, that is vertex, and one more is there, and that is arms. See here, then tell me where is their vertex? Yes, B is the vertex. Already I told the meeting point we are calling vertex. So here vertex is B, and here arms are BA and BC. BA and BC. So let us represent like this, because ray BA and BC are the arms. I hope you are getting my point. Here one more is there, and they given like this. What is there? P, Q and R. Then tell me here which are the vertex? Yes, here vertex is Q. Yes, here vertex is Q, and arms. Yes, here arms are QP and QR. QP and QR. Okay, here only identification is important. I hope you understood what is this angles. And one more exercise from exercise 9.3, page number 132, fifth main. They asked like this question: name the vertex and arms of the following. See here, they given 3 questions there. Among them I have solved 2 and remaining 1 you do as a homework. Understood? Next here, moving to one more topic from this angles, interior and exterior of an angle. Interior and exterior of an angle. So here, see here one more they given question, and that is, see here, in the figure, name the points in the figure, what is their question? In the figure, name the points. Name the points. Name the points. So first question is here, in the interior of what? ABC. Angle ABC. Next, one more question is there, in the exterior of ABC. Next, one more question is there, on ABC. Here they asked 3 questions. By observing this figure, you have to name it as a, here they named A, B and C, and here P, H, and one more point is there, that is F, and one more is there, that is E, and few more they given. Here what is there? G, and here they given R. So here, see here, just now I told what is this angle, how to name vertex and angles. Here one more point will come, that is interior and exterior of the angle. Then what is this interior and exterior? If point is there inside the angle, then that is interior of the figure. If the point is there outside the angle, then that is exterior of the angle. And if the points are lying on the angle, then they are what? Boundary of the angles. So here just see, in the interior of angle ABC, which points are there? See here, F, P, H. Which points are there? F, P, H. I hope you are getting my point. Yes, they are there interior, inside the angle. In the exterior of triangle ABC, then which points are there? E and R. Which points are there? E and R. Just you have to observe which one is there inside, which one is there outside, and which one is there on the angle ABC. Then on ABC, which points are there? See, A, B, G, C. They all are lying on ABC. So which points are there? A, B, G, C. So this all what are their points? They are lying on ABC. So this question I have solved from exercise 9.3, page number 4. Exercise 4, and the page number is 133. Very easy examples are there. So try to solve this kind of examples. So here one more point will come. They are adjacent angles. Okay, understood? What is this angle? Vertex, arms, interior of the angle, exterior of the angle, on the angle ABC. Okay, so next one is here adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Next topic is adjacent angles. So very important, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. See here, what are these adjacent angles? Already you know what are angles. Angles means when two rays meet at a point, no? For that, whatever the picture observed, no? For that we are calling angle. Then adjacent angles means, just see here, I will draw here one figure. So now whatever I am drawing now, you have to come to know what are these adjacent angles. A, C, D and B. See here, adjacent angles have common side and common vertex. See here, common ray and common vertex. Then tell me here, adjacent angles are A, B, C, A, B, C and C, B, D. Once again I will repeat, A, B, C and C, B, D are adjacent angles because they have a common vertex and common ray. Yes, if an angle has same means common vertex and common rays, then that angles are said to be adjacent angles. Two angles are adjacent when they have a common side and common vertex. Yes, they have a common vertex and common side. So when they are said to be what adjacent angles, they have a common vertex and common what arm. So here angle A, B, C and C, B, D. Angle C, B, D are adjacent angles. I hope you understood this. What are these adjacent angles? See here, I will take one example from your exercise 9.3. Name the angles formed in the given figure and also name their vertex and arms. Page number 133. Yes, page number 133 and that is here they given like this. See here. A, B, C and O. And what they asked question, also name their vertex and arms. Also write their names and vertex. See here, A, O, B, B, O, C. Yes, how many angles are formed here? Yes, see here. Which angle has formed here? A, O, B. Which angle has formed here? A, O, B. Okay, see here, what is their question? Name their vertex and arms. So here vertex is O. Vertex is O. Vertex is O. A, O, B is there. Vertex is O and arms are, yes, arms OA and OB. OA and OB. Tell me one more angle has formed here. Yes, leave this. BOC. Angle is BOC and here also the vertex is O and the arms are OB and OC. Here arms are OB and OC. Yes, understood how to solve this? See here from exercise 9.3 I have solved here third main, fourth main and fifth main. Very important, and later this I taught, see here, angles, interior and exterior of an angle and adjacent angles. See here, once again I will repeat what are these adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means they have a same vertex and same arm, common vertex and common arm. See here, AOB and BOC are adjacent angles because they have a common vertex and common arm. Therefore, it is a adjacent angle. In next class, I will discuss triangles, again interior and exterior of the triangle and about quadrilaterals. In the next class, I will discuss, and I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.